Hello friends, today I am going to tell you the story of 15 years old girl Minnie who embarked on an enthusiastic sexual odyssey, beginning with her mother's current lover Monroe. The movie title is The Diary of Teenage Girl. In 1976, Minnie was living in San Francisco with her mother Charlotte and her stepsister Gretel. Minnie was cartoonist and loved to draw cartoons. Minnie was keeping audio diary. There was she recording everything, his all activities. Minnie was thinking that Minnie is an unattractive girl. After Minnie's father's death, Charlotte got married with other man Pascal. But now Charlotte also separated to Pascal. And Charlotte has a boyfriend Monroe. Monroe mostly spent his time in Charlotte's house. One night Minnie sit beside Monroe for watching television. Charlotte was so drunk that time and said that I am going to sleep. You enjoy the movie. Then Charlotte and her daughter Gretel have gone for sleep. After that, Monroe and Minnie tease each other and Minnie leaned on his shoulder and incidentally Monroe put his hand on Minnie's breast, but she did not mind, even she was excited. After that night, Minnie was keep on thinking about Monroe. Next day, Minnie mother Charlotte, too busy to go out with her boyfriend Monroe. She suggests he take Minnie out instead. Minnie also wanted to go with Monroe. At a bar, Minnie and Monroe flirt and she tells him she wants to sleep with him. Monroe was shocked after listening that but excited also. When they were going back to home, they kissed in a car passionately. They began meeting at this apartment and having sex first time. Monroe did not know that she is virgin, but Minnie was so happy after losing her virginity. She shared the detail of her sexual experience with her friends Kimmy and recorded them in her audio diary. Kimmy said, "You are so younger than Monroe. Maybe Monroe getting advantage from you, but she doesn't. This is so like this. Minnie always sees Monroe as like a boyfriend who take care her always, but she feeling alone always." They start having sex continuously. Minnie said she had sex 7 times already with Monroe. At a comic book store, Minnie sees cartoonist Aline Kominsky signing books. She mails Aline her first comic book about a woman walking through the town. Minnie sleeps twice with her schoolmate Ricky, but he finds her sexual enthusiasm intimidating. At a bar, Minnie and Kimmy decide to pose as a prostitute. They fled 2 boys in the bathroom and give them a blue job, but next day agree it was a bad choice and they promise they never do again. Minnie's stepfather Pascal calls from New York City and invite Minnie live with him, but she declined. Charlotte loses her job as a librarian and she was worried about Minnie, and her younger sister Gretel ask Pascal for help. Her, and though he is irritated her, send the family a check. After taking coffee, Minnie got Pascal to Charlotte's house, but Pascal saw there Monroe already there and Pascal left the house. During the wild party, Minnie, Kimmy and Monroe have a threesome. Next day, Minnie realized and said that she does love him. Later, Kimmy says it was a one-off as Minnie seemed bothered by it. It's not as if Minnie loves him. She becomes increasingly uncomfortable with her affair with Monroe, and he keeps breaking it off, saying it is wrong only to continue having sex with her. When she wants sex, he acts too tired or pushes her down to give him a blowjob. Her own satisfaction is a minor consideration. Minnie goes round to confront, but he says he did not sleep the night before and need a nap for a half hour, and she lays down with him. After that, they have sex and take acid together. Minnie sees herself converted in feather and flying, but Monroe has a bad trip, convinced they are being watched. During the trip, he tells Minnie he loves her and she realizes that she no longer cares for him. Monroe begins making plans for them to be together when she is 18 and Minnie leaves him. Charlotte grows suspicious of the relationship between Minnie and Monroe, but he convinces her that she is just imagining things. One day Monroe get Minnie to boat and told her to all about his plan that he wanted to buy this boat. Then suddenly Minnie asks to her that when he will tell you his family about Minnie. He got angry to her. One day Charlotte discovers Minnie audio diary where was the all evidence of their relationship. Next day Charlotte confronted Minnie and Monroe. She decided that Minnie and Monroe must now marry. And Monroe agreed too, but Minnie did not agree and runs away from home and met lesbian Tabitha and spent few days with Tabitha, have sex and used drug. When Tabitha bring her to drug dealer and told him that Minnie will have sex with him for the drugs. During this Minnie was seeing everything. When Minnie thought, what I am going to do this? Then Minnie ran away from there and returned to the home where her mother and her sister missing her a lot. Her mother Charlotte gave her a warm hug. Minnie find a letter from a line encouraging her to draw more comics book. And Zoni's on a beach. Minnie runs into Monroe. She is called towards him and they go their separate ways. Minnie reflects on her emotional growth and realizes that the only way to find happiness is by loving herself, not by depending on another person's affection. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this story. If you like this story, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you.